Chapter 13, Our Festivals. Today's topic is National Festivals. There are some days which are important for our country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These days are celebrated by everyone in the country and are holidays for all. On Independence Day and Republic Day, people sing the national anthem and hoist the national flag. Some national festivals are Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. That's why we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. Republic Day of India spreads the message of equality, brotherhood and unity. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated by everyone in the country together. We should respect all festivals. We should not make fun of other people's festivals. We should specially greet our family, friends, and even people who help us at home and in school on festivals. Now let's remember some keywords. Celebrate, to enjoy and be happy. Religious, related to the worship of God. Exchange, to give one thing and get another thing for it. Worship, to show that you believe in God by praying. Fasting, to not eat food for a certain period of time. Anthem, a song that has a special importance for a country and is sung on special occasions. Host, to pull something up to a higher level. Hope you got well with the chapter. Children, revise it again.